Okay, so great news. Apparently not showing my face in my videos makes YouTube not take them down, which is amazing. Anyways, gunpowder is super easy to make. It only requires 3 ingredients: sulfur, potassium nitrate, and charcoal. You can't just mix them up like this though, you're going to have to do a bit more processing. And I bet a lot of you guys aren't going to have these ingredients, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make all of this stuff at your own home. Okay, so the first ingredient is charcoal, so pretty much just start a fire pit outside, throw some big logs on it, and make sure to take them out before they burn all the way up to ash. Or you can do the alternative method, which is just waiting for your parents to leave and stick some sticks underneath the home fire pit. And you guys can do whatever you want, but this works good for me. Once you've done that, your charcoal should look like this, and after you've burnt it, you're going to need to make it into a powder because you can't mix it if it looks like this. So just take it on your blender, and I've never seen other YouTubers do it like this. They always like carefully mix it up, but I think that's because they're worried about a fire starting. So I'm just going to make sure no fires will start, and I think you guys are safe because I tested it out here and nothing bad happened. Also, on a side note for your health, make sure you guys don't breathe this stuff in because it can kind of hurt sometimes. My lungs don't feel too good all the time when I do stuff like this, so yeah, don't breathe that in. Alright, so our next ingredient is potassium nitrate. You can either make this stuff or buy it. If you want to buy it, I recommend going to pool stores because oftentimes they'll have it there for a pretty good discount. This potassium nitrate is being used as our oxidizer to make our charcoal and sulfur burn a lot faster. Now, if you don't want to buy it, you're going to have to make it, and I've been reading some old declassified US military forms, and it shows you how to make potassium nitrate from the nitrogen in your own soil. It's quite a long process, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a future video, so please subscribe so you guys won't miss out, because that's going to be a super cool video. Regardless of how you get it, it's kind of useless in this bigger grain form, so we're going to need to blend it down just like the charcoal. Just put it in there and blend it down until it looks kind of like powdered sugar. Just for you guys, I'm going to test to make sure it won't burn your house down. Just kidding, I'm not that stupid. Yeah, so I think you're safe. I don't think it'll blow up your house. Now, all we're going to need is sulfur, and unfortunately, since I do not live next to an active volcano, I will not be able to show you how to make it. But you'd be surprised. I bet a lot of you guys already have this laying around inside of your guys' sheds because it's used as a fertilizer. If not, pick it up at Amazon or Home Depot for like $5. From here, everything is super simple. You're just going to mix them with the proportions shown above. Now, I don't really care about proportions because it's not as fun if you don't know what's going to happen. Okay, but seriously though, I feel like every single pyrotechnic or chemistry YouTuber, when they're making something dangerous, they put it on a piece of paper like this and slowly mix it up. And that's kind of frustrating to me, so I'm going to try out a much faster alternative method. Pretty much just put it inside of a container and shake it up a lot. Now, hopefully this won't blow up, but you guys will find out if it does. Alright, awesome. It looks like that worked, and this is kind of what it should look like when you're done. Evenly mixed. So let's go try it out. Now, a lot of people say this stuff ignites extremely easily when it comes in contact with sparks, so instead of using a flame, I'm going to be trying this out and see if it's not BS. Anyways, there you go. You now have black powder. So use it wisely, I guess. On a side note, guys, I still make zero money from YouTube, so please support my Patreon. I'm going to be giving you guys a free membership link in the bottom if you guys want to join up for that.